head to Shanghai. Got my bags, got everything in them. It's time to go. Ready to board. Everything got checked in. Had a little issue as usual with security checking the art, but everything got through. All the other bags are checked. One of the little tricks that I learned early on when I was working in advertising, one of the owners of the agencies taught me the first time I traveled with her, was to use sky lounges. If you can figure out how to get into them, whether it be through a credit card or just paying the fees if they're not too crazy. Sometimes a sky lounge allows you to just kind of chill out, cool out before the flight, because traveling can be really stressful. So sky lounges kind of give you a little time to relax without all the hecticness of the airport, and then be in a good mindset before you get on the plane. Just got to Shanghai. I think I got sick from some of the food or something on the flight, and I was not feeling good the second half of the flight. So I'm gonna call it a night. And just try and relax a little bit before tomorrow. Woo! Just woke up feeling so much better than I was last night. Woke up a few times throughout the night feeling terribly. But then the final time, I just kept trying to go back to sleep. Final time I woke up, and we're good. We're good to go. Went downstairs, had some breakfast this morning, saw a bunch of people, and now we're going to head over to the space to check out the booths, see how the build out is going, merchandise a little bit, and then we might just run around for a little bit. I'm not sure, but right now we're gonna go to the space and check it out. Come with me. Super loud in there, so I gotta step outside. It's really loud out here too. Nacional booth looks really great. They did even better job than I expected with the concept that I sent, the drawings that I sent. They actually built exactly what I asked for, so I was super happy with that. We're laying out some of the art over in the 3125C booth, and everything is going well over there. And the EU booth is being finished. It's one of the more complex booths, so they're laying out the floor, and then later on we'll be finishing that. So everything is going well. collaborations, some of the stuff people are doing is just, it's crazy. It's such a good collection of brands and expressions. The booths are done so well. It's such a consistent, like, really good group of booths. It's not just like some people have good booths and other people have little boxes. Here it's like so many people did really, really legit build outs, really good concepts, and some of the collaborations are just like, are so dope, unexpected, didn't know. Ready-made in Star Wars, which is ridiculous. Pam and Undercover. There's so much good stuff. I can't wait to see the actual product tomorrow and hopefully get some of it. The Jordan release is gonna be crazy. I can't wait.